Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting your macro mode or attaching a dedicated macro lens. This forces the optics into close focus behavior so you can get tight detail. Once done, position yourself within the lens minimum focus distance and frame the subject large in the viewfinder. Make sure to set aperture around f/5. 6 to f/11 to balance depth of field and sharpness. You'll also pick AF or manual focus, now depending on how steady your subject is and whether you need focus stacking later. Next, you control exposure and lock precise focus because tiny shifts matter up close. Start by metering on the subject with spot or center-weighted modes so brightness is accurate. Then stabilize the camera with a tripod and use mirror lockup or an electronic shutter to eliminate vibration. This keeps your image critically sharp. For focus, use live view magnification or focus peaking, and if depth of field is too shallow, plan a focus stacking sequence to combine multiple sharp slices into one image. Finally, you refine exposure and troubleshoot common issues to finish the shot. Lower ISO to minimize noise and add controlled light, diffused flash or continuous LEDs to illuminate details without harsh highlights. Once you have images, review at 100% for focus errors and motion blur. If you see problems, recompose, tighten your tripod, or switch to fine manual focus and retake a stacked set. If lighting causes harsh shadows, soften with a diffuser or reflector. One tip: when focus shifts occur,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.